So, Volkswagen owners often believe high repair costs are unavoidable. Control arms fail, transmissions hesitate, warning lights appear, and, well, the bills just keep stacking up. But here's the truth. Most people never hear. The majority of expensive VW repairs are actually caused by owner habits, not poor engineering. If you change how you drive and maintain your Volkswagen, you can save thousands over the life of the car. The first habit is warming up your VW correctly. Modern engines don't need long idling. Start the car, wait about 20 seconds, and drive gently. Hard acceleration on a cold engine accelerates wear on pistons, turbo seals, and timing components. Habit 2 is braking before bumps, not on them. Braking over potholes and speed bumps twists suspension bushings under load, which is why VW control arms fail early. Slow down early and release the brake before impact. The third habit is never dry steering. Turning the wheel while stationary puts massive stress on tie rods, control arms and steering racks. Always let the car roll slightly before turning. Habit 4 is respecting tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure transfers shock into suspension and steering components. Factory pressure protects bushings, bearings, and alignment. Habit 5 is checking under the hood after every service. Loose oil caps, unplugged sensors, and low coolant after rushed oil changes cause many VW failures. Habit 6 is letting turbocharged VWs cool down. After highway or aggressive driving, let the engine idle for about 30 seconds before shutting it off to protect those turbo bearings. Habit 7 is using the parking brake regularly. This prevents cables and rear calipers from seizing, which is, honestly, a pretty common VW issue. Habit 8 is changing DSG or automatic transmission fluid on time. Lifetime fluid is really just a myth. Fresh fluid prevents hesitation, slipping, and valve body damage. So, habit 9 is avoiding short trips whenever possible. You know, short drives just never allow the oil to fully warm up, and that can lead to moisture buildup and, sludge inside your engine. Habit 10 is addressing warning lights immediately. VW electronics actually store fault history, so ignoring those small issues often leads to, well, larger and more expensive failures down the road. Habit 11 is replacing suspension parts in pairs or sets. Mixing worn and new components just creates uneven stress, which can really accelerate failure, honestly. So, habit 12 is using correct oil specifications. You know, VW engines are actually pretty sensitive to the type of oil you use. If you go with the wrong oil, it can really speed up wear on things like the camshaft, turbo, and timing components. Alright, habit 13 is keeping the battery healthy. Weak batteries, especially in Volkswagens, can cause all sorts of headaches, like false warning lights, transmission faults, and those annoying electronic glitches. And finally, habit 14 is cleaning the sunroof drains. If those drains get clogged, water can leak into the electronics, and honestly, that leads to some really expensive electrical damage. So, habit 15 is avoiding aggressive driving on cold suspension components. Rubber bushings actually stiffen up in cold weather and, you know, they can tear really easily under stress. Habit 16 is aligning wheels after impacts. Even small pothole hits can knock your alignment out and honestly, destroy tires and suspension way sooner than you'd expect. Habit 17 is not overloading the car. Excess weight puts a lot of strain on wheel bearings, shocks, and suspension mounts, which over time can lead to some pretty expensive repairs. So, habit 18 is replacing cabin air filters regularly. You know, restricted airflow actually strains blower motors and HVAC electronics, which can lead to bigger problems down the road. Habit 19 is listening to early noises. Those small clunks and vibrations, they're warnings, not normal behavior, so don't just ignore them. And finally, habit 20 is reading the owner's manual at least once. It's surprising, but so many VW features, maintenance intervals, and driving tips get ignored just because owners never take a look. Here's the reality. Volkswagens reward smooth, informed ownership. When treated correctly, they last far longer than their reputation suggests. Expensive repairs don't happen suddenly. They happen after months or years of small habits done wrong. Change these habits, and you don't just save money, you drive a VW that feels tighter, smoother, and more reliable every single day. Subscribe to Gear Specs if you want honest, real-world car knowledge that protects your vehicle and your wallet.